Have you always wanted to be a motovlogger but you don't know where to start? Well, this video might be for you. Today I'm going to be sharing my experience of how I put together my video, how I shoot, how I edit, and how I package the whole thing to be the video that you guys see on my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Without wasting any further time, let's get into it. So number one, on the equipment that I use to shoot my videos is a GoPro. This is a GoPro 10. This GoPro, I actually bought it on Facebook Market for 4,000 Rand. I hope you can see it. GoPro 10. The reason why I got it for 4,000, I don't know whether you can see, it has a little crack, but I've used it for almost a year now. It has never given me problems. It's actually perfect for what I use it for. So I bought this cover just in case I drop it, it doesn't sustain any further injuries. So that it doesn't sustain any further injuries or cracks or any damages. I also bought another accessory for this GoPro, the door actually. I forgot to show you guys the door. I bought the door. It came with the screen protector. This is very hard to open, so this I had to buy another one so that I don't have to, whatever I'm charging, I don't have to remove this cover, because I can just open here. The normal door that came with the GoPro doesn't have this function. You have to open this whole thing. So this is what I've been using to shoot my content. So still on my on the GoPro, if you want it new, I think on Take a Lot it goes for about 8,000 Rand or more. What I love the most about this GoPro is that it shoots up to 4K. I shoot all my videos on 4K because I want a perfect quality for my videos. However, if you shoot with 4K, just know that it's going to take a huge amount of space on your SD card. And my other normal content, when I'm not riding, I use my phone. A chin mount on my helmet. I use this simple strap chin mount. I hope you guys can see it. It's very easy to connect. If you feel like it's not tight enough, what you do, so this is how my GoPro sits. It sits like this, and then I have access to these straps. If I feel like it's not too tight, I just pull. I bought it on Take a Lot. I think I bought it for less than 200 Rand. Voila! There you have it. So this is my setup. And then when I'm riding, I already know what I'm going to include in my videos. I don't record throughout. As I said before, I record in 4K, which chows a lot of space. So what I do is that when I see something interesting while I'm riding, I just press on the top. I don't know if you can see, it has the top button here, and then on the side is the start button. I've optimized my settings so that it becomes easy for me to operate it when I'm riding. I just have to press here, and then it beeps, beep beep, and then I know it's recording. I can actually hear it. Let's go live. It makes that noise. Unfortunately now the battery is the SD is full. That's the noise it makes when it switches off. So I know when it's recording, I know when it's not recording. When I'm not sure if it's recording or it's not, I always just move to my left just to check on my mirror, because when it's recording, it has this I'll show you the light. This one, it beeps even when the screen is off. It continues to beep. So I just look at my mirror and then see if it's recording or it's not recording. I don't like recording more than a minute long, because a minute in 4K would probably chow half a gig. Literally, if there's something interesting, I like to record for say 30 seconds, maybe 30 seconds. My aim is always recording 30 seconds, unless I'm at a pass. When I'm at a pass, I record the whole pass. Once I've recorded my my content, and then I move the content from my GoPro using the GoPro app, and then I use iMovie to put it together to make it the episode that you guys get to watch. When it comes to the music, I'm subscribed to Epidemic Sounds. All the background music that you guys are hearing on my videos, I get them from Epidemic Sounds. I think I pay about $169 a month, so I'm quite happy with their services. They have plenty. You can actually choose what kind of music you are looking for. You can choose according to mood: happy, suspense, cinematic, Africa. I also watch a lot of motovlogs. So like if I'm watching Itchy Boots, and then there's nice little music when she's showing us her drone footage. So what I do, I use Shazam on my phone, and then I get the name of the song, and then after that I go and search it on Epidemic Sound. And then when it comes to thumbnails, I use Canva. I feel like I'm currently struggling when it comes to, packaging my videos nicely in a way that when people are scrolling on YouTube, they'll stop and be like, oh, what's this all about? And then click on it. How long does it take? To be honest, my videos are somewhere between 8 and 10. Maybe the longest is 12 minutes. It would take me more than 5 hours to put it together, to actually cut it and put it together. Roughly 5 hours, honestly. And then after that, I need to find music. I need to do voiceovers. You need to write a script. You need to write a video description. You need to create a thumbnail. Oh, it's a lot. It's a lot. So there you have it. If you've always wanted to be a motovlogger, just check on Facebook Market. Get the cheapest action camera. You can edit with your phone or use your laptop. It's that easy, honestly.